Isa na talaga tayong mukbangis. Today, I am craving Korean food. I know, sabi ko, no carbs, but I've been watching a lot of K-dramas. Sabi ko, parang okay mag-noodles today. I want like a very, very spicy noodles. Ooh, spicy. And kimchi with pork. Soda water. So good. Try natin isang buo. Happiness. Wala akong mahanap na alternative for noodles. Rice, diba? Meron ako alternative, which is yung keto rice. Yung nga sa profile ko. Sa noodles, hahanap ako. I love noodles so much. Eat it together. Bawis, oh. Pressure ako kasi 10 minutes lang to, tapos hindi ko pa nauubos.